super transparent about like what company is sending me what, how it works. Why do guys look so good? I just started shooting outside my apartment. Oh my god. Hey! Hi guys, it's Hailey here, and something really interesting happened to me today. So I placed this order. This is how this all started. This stupid cup bra. I mean, I beg your pardon. I don't mean to call it stupid. But basically, if you've been on Instagram in the past few months at all, this cup bra ad has literally showed up at any possible point in my life. It got to the point where I was literally trying on cup bras in my dreams, and I'd never even seen one in my life, like in real life ever. So I was like, okay, maybe like this is just my sign to just go ahead and buy it. And these things are expensive. I spent like $75 with shipping and everything and tax and everything for one bra. So I'm like, this better be the best bra I've ever wearing my whole entire life. I don't like a lot of wiring. I used to be like that like bombshell push-up Victoria's Secret girl. Snapped out of that real quick. I don't know where my head was at all. And like for the past 2 years, I've been basically kind of wearing like hybrid bras, sports bras, bralettes, nothing like my Victoria's Secret days. And this bra promises to basically kind of give you that like Victoria's Secret support, like perfect for your boob shape, but like it feels kind of like a bralette. So I ordered this. I was thinking to buy it for a long time, and then I got a notification saying it was delivered, and like I would keep going downstairs where all my packages collect in my building. No package from Cup. I literally called USPS, emailing Cup. I was like, it's delivered. I was like, did someone steal it? I was talking to people in my lobby, and then finally I realized that apparently I have another mailbox in my mailroom that like, because I get so many packages, they don't want my packages to take up all the space. They basically like give you an extra mailbox if the lockers fill up. So I went and opened it for the first time today, and I found all these packages. Like they've literally been sitting in there for months, and I had no idea. All these brands are probably so mad at me because they sent me stuff for me to like try, post, share if I like it, and I literally haven't been doing that just because I didn't know I had them. Whatever, let's open the freaking cup bra first because I've been waiting for you for quite a minute. We support you. Thank you. Where were you guys when I didn't have my mailbox? So far, it's in this little silk bag. Okay. Well, obviously this will not be a try on. This kind of looks big. Like this is literally the size of my face. Anyways, I'll try this on and I'll probably talk about it. If I love it, you'll know. It's nice to know that I basically paid for air. It is super soft, feels like kind of luxurious. This is called the Balconette. Let's go over here. Oh my god. This is from this brand called Depop. They dyed my hair once. They gave me a balayage. I'll insert a picture over here. But like this company is super smart. And here's why. So Depop, I thought was a hair salon. It's not. It's a hair care brand by this celebrity hairstylist. And what they do is like they'll invite influencers. They have like their hair salon is literally a mansion in the Hollywood Hills. Like when I went, I was like, this is where I'm living my dream. I'm getting my hair done by a celebrity hairstylist in Hollywood Hills. And my hair did actually turn out amazing. They'll invite influencers to come get their hair done for free. But like usually getting your hair done is like $1,000, but probably like the best place, let's just say. Then they give you their hair care products to like take care of your hair with. And then since they just did your hair for free, you promote them. But in reality, like it's usually a lot more than $1,000 for an influencer to promote something, you know? It was just an interesting thing that I had observed. And then I actually ended up using their hair care products, and I was like, I'm so happy I got this. Oh my god, I actually kind of asked for this, which I don't usually do. I'm usually a little bitch in the DMs. I know so many influencers that'll be like, can I have this in this size and this color and that? Thanks. Here's my address. You know, it is tit for tat. Like companies usually pay influencers to promote their stuff. I've just never been as comfortable doing that because I'm shy. But this product, I finished using all of it. This is the apple cider vinegar hair rinse. It's basically like a substitute for shampoo. It has apple cider vinegar in it, which is really good for skin in general, like your scalp especially, for like detoxing and stuff. But the thing that I love about it is that like you kind of like squirt it into your hair hair, and it literally like breaks down like built up oil, and then when you wash it off, it makes your hair super soft. I would work out every single day, but I didn't want to like shampoo my hair every single day, so I would just like put this in here. I ended up using the whole thing. I'm gonna link this down below, and the cup bra if you guys want to check it out. You know those products that you find and you're like, you're gonna stay in my bathroom until I die? That's one of these, and it takes quite a lot of work to be able to get to that standard. So let me just shut up about apple cider vinegar. I've been talking about it for 5 minutes. Okay. See, I feel so bad. This company was like, hey, we would love to send you stuff, like probably like 2 months ago, and I literally forgot, and they haven't even said anything. That's, oh, I feel bad. This is from this company called NYC Sterling, and they sent me jewelry back when I was a little YouTube baby, and when they reached out, I got a little nostalgic. Let's see what I got. This little pink dainty band, this little like evil eye, so cute. Oh, so this one reminds me of the Gucci ring. I'll insert a picture, but the Gucci ring's like $200 something. It's like a little dainty part. I think I have an offer code with them if you guys, you know, wanna get a little discount. I'll put it on the screen right here. I don't get anything out of it though. I knew their stuff was cute and I wanna help y'all out. I'm gonna be super transparent about like what company's sending me what, how it works. I'm like that. I like to stick my nose in people's business being like, how'd that work, you know? And especially if you're starting out, it could help you out. Sometimes codes will be like an affiliate, where like if you buy something using someone's code, they'll get a commission, but sometimes I'll just ask for it, even if it's just like a gifting, just because maybe like a brand is willing to give a discount code, but they're not ready to like give affiliate payments yet. And I like helping out smaller brands. Oh yeah, here we go, another jewelry brand. Okay, so Adidas is like one of those OG Instagram jewelry brands. I'm sure you guys know, and like they have the cutest little packaging. Oh my god, it's gonna be like a grand reveal. Oh, I literally got so sad. I thought it was an uppercase H and like the other part had broken. It actually was a lowercase H, but how cute is this necklace? It's like bedazzled. This tiny little lock pendant. Oh no. And then they sent me the like handcuff earrings that are like, usually if you have 2 holes, like you put one in each so that it looks like a little loop. But I'm a little girl and I only have 1 hole in my ears. I could just go ahead and give this one away to one of you guys. So if you wanna, you know, I don't know, hit subscribe or something. I'll have like giveaway rules in the description box. I can't wait to put my new necklaces on my brand new necklace organizer shelf that I just built in my last vlog. If you wanna head over there and check it out. How Adidas got a hold of me was they just actually DM'd me on Instagram and said, can we send you some gifts? Thank you, Adidas. You guys are the best. This package is from Canada. Oh, I remember this. Okay, this is this brand called True Earth. Like I've been waiting for these for so long that I literally at some point I think gave up on waiting for them. Now I like re-surprise myself with them. Now that I'm in my own apartment, I need to like do these things. These are eco strips, so they're like sustainable laundry detergent, and instead of having like a plastic thing with laundry detergent in it, they're like little strips that you put into the washing machine and that's it. And they do 32 loads. Probably gonna talk more about these in my vlogs, because my vlogs are like me in my apartment just like doing things, everyday vibes. If you're into that, make sure you subscribe. Any brand that like keeps the well-being of our planet in mind, I'm all for it. I want to support them, so when they emailed me, I was like, yes, I definitely want to try them out. My clothes are gonna smell so good. I got Tom this for Christmas. It's January 20th. Happy new President Day. Tom, your Christmas present is here. So I got you this for Christmas. Merry late Christmas. Hi puppers, you wanna get on the couch? Get you a girlfriend who supplies you with zit sticker. Why do guys look so good? No, I was gonna say, why do guys look so good in zip up jackets? Like the most basic of basic items, like a Gildan crew neck. All right, you can go now.
Okay.
Sorry, I had to show off my boyfriend there for a second. This one says fragile, so let's see. What the fuck is up, Kyle? I'm so bad. I'm terrible. Okay, so you know how I said like I thought all these packages were getting stolen? Well, some of them I did remember because I was like really looking forward to them. And I like literally ordered these like a month ago and I still didn't have them. And like they were being shipped here from the UK. I kind of like emailed the people on Amazon and I was like, hey, like I placed this order, it's not here. Do you have a tracking number? And they were like, sorry, like we don't have a tracking number, but like if you haven't gotten it, we'll just issue you a refund. So I was like, okay, thank you. I got my refund. It's in here though. Fuck. Oh my god, I can't believe this guy though. Like, did he literally ship a bag of chips with like no... He deserved that. You're probably like, Hailey, what the f? I know. This is a very special type of chips. I was watching Love Island. This is another 3 a.m. purchase, and you know how those go. My friend Emily, who's also British, I remember when she would go to the UK and then come back and bring a bunch of like British snacks. And one of those were these roast chicken walkers. This is just such a bad purchase. Like I remember looking back at my order history like the next day being like, why did I do that? Like why did I think that was such a good idea? But basically they're like roast chicken flavored chips. I'm pescatarian. I don't think there's like real chicken in it. It's just like seasoning that makes it taste like roast chicken. They're not even chips anymore. They're literally just crumbs for like seasoning or something. Should I have one? Fuck it. Oh, okay. Oh, surprisingly, they have a shape. I'm done. That was so many karma points lost for me. And on top of that, I asked for a refund and got my money back. Like, let's open this one. This company is called Seven the Label. They're literally like a family business, I think, or like two friends or something like that. They popped off when like, remember when tie-dye was a big thing in the beginning of quarantine? Like now I literally hate tie-dye because I associated it with that specific like, I know I fucked up. Like that era of quarantine. No, but they don't only do tie-dye anymore. I actually wear so many of their basics on like an everyday basis. So if you're looking for like good basics, Seven the Label on Instagram. So they actually reached out to me and they wanted to send me a few things during quarantine, and then I showed them a lot of love because they were a small business and people weren't doing so well financially. So I was just showing a lot of small businesses love. But I will say, less plastic. We got this cute little white long sleeve. Anyways, I mean, I talk shit about them, but I have them now, so. All right, I'm digging this pine green color. I think it's like a trend. It kind of has like a vintage wash to it. Feels soft. Thank you. Also, I love this sweatpants shape, like the bubble. Let me know in the comments if you guys like that style. Asking for a friend, not working on anything or any secret projects or anything. See, I love this design. What's it called? Acid wash? I don't make the rules, but like I'm totes my goats gonna wear the shit out of these. Like the other sweatpants that they sent me, I literally wore them so often that I'm like, what did I do before these? Wow, this is my favorite one, I think. I've been liking purple a lot. I fucks with it. It's so cute. And they're affordable too. I don't know, when you're buying from a small business, the people that actually put that effort into creating that, building that brand, you really make their day. Versus like if you buy something from H&M, no one is gonna be like personally moved by the fact that you like bought something from them. Literally like Reese and Madison, they wrote me a handwritten note, you know? I think you guys should really like think about where you're buying from before you go ahead and buy them. Okay, so apparently someone just started shooting outside my apartment, just downtown LA things. And now there's helicopters like circling around the building and it's creating a lot of noise. What do you do? See, other YouTubers, do they have to deal with these issues? There's a stranger in my apartment. As you can see, there's helicopters. I look at ghosts looking at the helicopters, but they're circling in this area. We just checked the Citizen app and apparently someone's shooting right there, right there. Like open fire. I'm kind of getting concerned. Yesterday, there was a police chase on my street. A couple weeks ago, someone got shot and like died on my street. And now there's just some other shots are fired and these helicopters are in the air. Like I'm starting to like not feel very safe in my home. Oh, what is happening? Wait, can you go back to the other street? We're in the danger zone. Oh my god.
So many cop cars there.
Are you looking at the helicopters out here? Are you looking at the helicopters? Huh? It's getting pretty loud. Stay safe, guys. I know it's crazy out there. I love you so much. All the way to Pluto and back. Bye.